Good morning, Megan. So the back substitution, I'm not really sure where you're having problems with this. I suspect it's maybe the fractions or maybe just interpreting. Either way, I hope this video will help you. So quite rightly, you've done all the row operations, and quite rightly, you found that z equals 1. So what we can do is we can just take all of these rows in the matrix and put them back into a system. So we're kind of doing the reverse step of your first step here. You took a system of equations, put it into a matrix. Now we have a matrix and we're going to put it into a system of equations. So z equals 1 as you stated. Our next equation is going to be this. We have y minus 5/3 z, and that's going to equal negative 8/3, right? So that's our next equation, and we can just rearrange that to get y by itself. So y is going to equal negative 8/3 plus 5/3. Now z is 1 as you stated. So y is going to equal negative 8/3 plus 5/3, which equals negative 3/3, right? And that's going to equal negative 1. So y equals negative 1 right there. Okay, so that's just it. Just rearrange this. You could also just put in z for 1 and just do it out, but I like to actually do the step with algebra first. So y equals negative 1. And then we can just rinse and repeat this for our row 1, which is our first equation. We're just going to do the same thing. We'll do the reverse of your first step once I make some room here. So our first equation states that x minus 2y plus 4z, or z, equals 8. So again, just doing some rearranging, right? We're going to add 2y to both sides. We'll subtract 4z from both sides to get x by itself. X is going to equal 2y minus 4z plus 8. Okay, so again, 2y is negative 1, so 2 times negative 1 minus 4 times 1 plus 8. That's going to come out to be negative 2, negative 4 plus 8. Please disregard this other little mark that's there. That's just leftovers. Okay, and we just do that out, and x is going to come out to be, that's negative 6 plus 8 is 2. So there you go. That's how you can get all the answers. I hope that helps. If it doesn't, just let me know in the comments below, and we'll talk some more. Thanks.